Have you ever opened an app on your Android phone and thought, why does everything look so small or way too big? Maybe the buttons are hard to tap or the text doesn't fit the screen right. Well, good news. You can change the size of apps on your Android phone without downloading anything extra. And stick around till the end. I'll show you a bonus trick that makes your entire screen more comfortable to use, especially if you have a large or small display. Let's get right into how you can change the size of apps on your Android phone. Step 1. Open Settings. Go to your phone's main settings menu. You can swipe down and tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Tap on Display. Scroll down and find the option that says Display. Tap on it. Step 3. Look for display size and text, or screen zoom. Depending on your Android version or brand, like Samsung Pixel or Xiaomi, you'll see options like display size, screen zoom, or font and display size. Tap on that. Step 4. Adjust the slider. You'll see a slider or visual preview that lets you zoom in or out. Drag the slider to make app elements, like buttons, menus, and text, larger or smaller. As you adjust it, your phone will show you a live preview. This means you can see how app icons and content will look before confirming the change. Step 5. Tap back and you're done. Once you've picked a comfortable size, just go back or exit settings. All your apps will now reflect the new size. No restart needed. You've now successfully changed how apps look and feel on your Android device. Which app do you find the most annoying when it comes to size? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear which ones you're adjusting. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another Android tip. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more comfortable phone experience today.